All right, let's dive in. Today, we are talking about a new set of AI tools from YouTube that are, and I'm not exaggerating, a potential game changer for creators. This isn't just about a few new buttons in your dashboard. Nope. This is about how AI might just reshape the entire creative process. So let's get our first look at a much, much smarter YouTube studio.
So just think about this for a second. What if you had a brilliant partner working right alongside you? One that helps you brainstorm ideas, make sense of all your data, and can even help you break down language barriers. That's the big idea here. This isn't AI coming in to replace creators. It's about giving creators a really powerful co-pilot for the journey.
Okay, so here's what we're going to cover. First, we'll look at how to find that next great idea. Then, we'll see how AI makes your analytics make sense. After that, we're talking about reaching the entire world, and then how you can protect your digital self in this new landscape. And finally, we'll tie it all together and ask, why does this all matter so much?
All right, first up, let's start right at the beginning of any project, the idea. You know, that initial spark. Because, let's be honest, sometimes finding that spark is the hardest part of the entire process. Every single creator knows this feeling, right? That dreaded blinking cursor on a blank page. It's creator's block. You are so ready to make something awesome that your audience will love, but you've got nothing. It is just so frustrating.
Well, YouTube's answer to this is something they're calling the Inspiration Lab, and you can think of it like having a direct line into what your audience is actually thinking about. It's designed to give you that spark, right when you need it most.
And this is where it gets really powerful. This tool doesn't just throw random generic ideas at you. No way. It actually looks at what your specific viewers are searching for and watching, and then it gives you suggestions based on that real data. So you can stop guessing what might work and start knowing what your audience is already asking for.
Okay, so now you've got a great idea, you've shot the video, and it's live. The next big question is, how's it doing? And that means it's time to dive into the wonderful world of analytics.
And if you've ever opened the Analytics tab in YouTube Studio, you know exactly what I'm talking about. It can feel like a tidal wave of graphs and charts and numbers just washing over you. It's all incredibly powerful stuff, but man, it can be overwhelming. And this is where the next tool, Ask Studio, comes in. And honestly, this is such a cool concept. Instead of you having to dig through all that data, you just ask it a question. It turns that complicated dashboard into a simple conversation. It's so practical. You can literally just type in a question like, hey, what's my most popular video format? Or which topics are bringing in new subscribers? And you get a straight answer, a clear insight. You don't need to be a data scientist anymore to understand your own channel.
So you've got a great idea. You understand how it's performing. So what's next? Well, how do you grow? The next big leap is about breaking down barriers and reaching a truly global audience.
You know, this has always been one of the biggest hurdles for creators. Your content could be perfect for someone on the other side of the world, but language is like a brick wall. And yeah, traditional dubbing is an option, but it's expensive, it takes forever, and let's face it, it can be kind of awkward when it doesn't match up.
So, enter the new auto dubbing tool. And listen, this isn't just about translating your voice. The part that is absolutely mind-blowing is the AI-powered lip syncing. The AI actually goes into your video and changes your lip movements to match the new language. It's pretty wild.
And the difference is just huge. I mean, look at this. On the left, you've got the old way, right? The classic kung fu movie effect where the audio is totally disconnected from the person's mouth. But on the right, with this new AI-powered way, it's seamless. It looks natural. It feels like the creator is speaking directly to you in your own language. It's a total game changer for engagement. Okay, this brings us to a really, really important part of this new toolkit, protection. Because in the age of AI, your face, your voice, your likeness, that's content. And it's content that you need to be able to control.
And this is a question that's getting more and more urgent every single day. I mean, with AI getting so good at creating content, how do you make sure your face isn't being used in ways you never approved of? It's a very real concern for anyone who puts themselves out there online.
So YouTube is trying to get ahead of this with a tool called likeness detection. You can think of it as an evolution of their Content ID system, but it's been built specifically for this new challenge of AI-generated content that's designed to mimic you.
So what does this actually do for you? Well, simply put, it gives you control. It will actively look for videos where AI has been used to create a deep fake of your face or your voice. And when it finds one, it gives you the tools to manage it.
It's basically handing you the keys back to your own digital identity, which is an absolutely essential safeguard for creators now.
Okay, so let's zoom out for a minute and look at the big picture. We've got idea generation, simplified analytics, global translation, personal protection. So what does this all add up to? Why is this such a big deal?
Well, first, it just makes the whole creative process smoother. By taking on some of the biggest headaches, like creator's block and confusing data, these tools just remove friction. They can help level the playing field, giving solo creators the kind of power that used to require a whole team. It lets you focus on the fun part, actually creating.
Second, it's all about making smarter content. You're not just throwing things at the wall to see what sticks anymore. You're using actual, real data from your audience to come up with ideas that have a much higher chance of connecting with people. It's about working smarter, not just harder.
And third, and this might be the most important one for the future, it's about protection. In this new world we're entering, having tools that help you control your own face and voice, well, that's not just a nice feature. It's a fundamental necessity. And this quote really just says it all, doesn't it? None of these tools can replace the unique vision and the heart that a creator brings to their work. They're not meant to. They're designed to help, to assist, to empower, to be that smart co-pilot on your creative flight.
So as we wrap up, it's clear these tools are rolling out and their potential is just massive. But the real question isn't just what can these tools do? The bigger question is how will they change the way we think about making things? With an AI co-pilot by your side, what new kinds of stories can be told? So I'll leave you with this to think about. The toolkit is here. How will it change the way you create?